Hey guys, it's Karina with Karina Loves to Plan. Welcome back to my channel. So here I am back in my classic fitness happy planner, and I'll be decorating for the week of Friday, 23rd of April to Thursday, the 29th of April. And to commemorate the new back to school release from the Happy Planner, I will be decorating with Teacher Florals. So excited for this book. All right, let's get started. I'm actually really excited to decorate with this book because I think one of my favorite color schemes is here. So I need to first find those florals, which are gorgeous. And just go ahead and place it here. And I think the colors of the spread already match with these florals, so I don't have to worry about the blue and green, which I'm happy about. I will add a bit of gold in there though, because there's a bit of gold foil, so it won't bother me too much to add that in. Love that. Is there something smaller, or am I just being picky now? Oh my god, so pretty. So pretty. Okay, just trying to see where everything is, just so I have a, okay. Oh my gosh. Oops. Oh, like I can't get over how pretty those are. So gorgeous. I think what I want to have something down here. But what I might do, I'm going to see if this fits first. Okay, I'm just getting a handle for where everything is. Just give me a moment. I think I'm going to do this. I'm going to place this here, and that'll be for where my goals are going to go. But then I'm also, because I know I won't need the whole space for goals, I'm going to place this right over like so. And already I very much enjoy that. So I'm going to then set the florals out. And I'm going to take this Make Yourself Proud and place it with a box. So there's boxes there in this color scheme, which I'm in love with. There's those. Okay, this would actually work better for me. So, okay. Oh, wow. Wow. Okay. Oh my gosh. So I'm going to put this like this, maybe overlapping a bit to leave room to, right, just put it down. And it's going to be crooked, like totally crooked, but whatever. I'm then going to find a small box like this one to write my weight in for the week. Oh, I love it. Then, oh my gosh, I can't get over these florals. Like, I just can't. Take this, and I hate when it tries to go down before I'm ready to put it down. Like maybe there. No, too close to that sticker. Okay, and then one can change. I'm gonna try and actually put these gold foil ones down somewhere, but in the meantime, let's go right back to those blues. Oh, I don't want to use them all in this spread. I really should have spaced them out better. Oh, okay. There's also these ones. Okay, I can make this work. I will make this work. So I'm gonna put a box over here. With just like that. I'm gonna put one of these boxes down here for exercise. And then, which floral do I, ooh, and there's these, so I can make these work. But let's go. Oh, I don't want to use them yet. Oh. Okay. And then use this. Wait. I almost wish there was a slightly longer box. I mean, there's that whole don't forget, but I want a box that is slightly longer to maybe fit in here. I don't think I'm gonna find one, and that's okay. So this might just work out here. And then I will place one of these up here. And then I'm gonna take these because these are awesome. I'm just wanting to see if there's anything else that I could put down. I could use some of that gold foil. Whoops. Let's see. Oh my god, these just are just gorgeous. I love that. Okay, where are my tweezers? So what I'm gonna do is I've realized there aren't actually any boxes on this side, so I might put one there. Let's put green here. Go. And no, I totally forgot what I was going to do. Huh. Oh, yes. Put these flags down for where my meals are going to go. So here. Oh, come on, off my finger. One there. And then, oops, one there. As best as I can try and get that centered. Then, gosh, I can't get over these boxes. They're like, yeah. Oh, so pretty. I love it. Love them so much. I'm gonna just put a plan on it here. And then there's this week. Okay, unless you can't get over these florals. Let's go back to this and see where I can. Do I want to add the gold foil? No, I feel like it's going to be too much already. So let's just go back to the flags, and I'll add the flags down the side here, and then I will go ahead and start writing in it. I want this to be simple. Beautiful, but simple. So, oh, did I just pass it? I did. Okay, so we'll do the same thing on this side, and I'm just going to make sure that it does line up with that side. And I always find it easier with the smaller stickers, especially, to put them down with tweezers, because I feel like I have big clumsy hands. And tweezers, I remember when I first started using tweezers and I'm like, what is the point of this? But you know what? They really help with smaller stickers. They just, you don't even really have to hold the tweezers down. They just stick to the tweezers, and then There you go. All right. Oh my gosh, I am in love. Love, love, love that. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and fill out the first column, then fill out the rest, and then show you once it's all. Okay, so let's find my pen first of all. Pen's always important. Okay, so what I use this section for is journaling how I feel about my workout after I'm done, journaling about, you know, why I ate too much or why just the day went really well. So it ends up looking like this, and I love it once it's all filled in. Then this small box on Saturday is where I put my weigh-in for the week. And then in this row, I keep track of my sleep score, which I get from my Fitbit, and I normally aim for a sleep score of over 80. I try to also get 6 hours and 30 minutes of sleep. Some days it's great, and then some days I spend too much time watching reels on Instagram, like last night. But anyway, and then water, I try to get 2 liters of water every day. So every circle represents 200 mils. And then I go ahead and start pre-tracking for the day. So I normally just pre-track the meals, and the meals are, you know, normally when I do have my meals there, it's pretty easy to track. And then if anything changes, like for example, I am not having, it's Thursday night, I am not having sesame noodles with chicken, I just cross it out and then actually write in what I do have. And for me, seeing it crossed out like that tells me that my plan, it didn't go according to plan, and that's okay. What do I have for lunch tomorrow? Saucy Thai noodles, which actually have been delicious. I've been on like a noodles kick recently. And then tomorrow for dinner we are having taco salad. And then at the end of the day, once I have written everything else, like my snacks and things like that, I also try to write the points values of how much I've had throughout the day in the corner. And what I've also been looking at as well is how much protein I'm having throughout the day. I'm trying to aim for about 125, 130 grams of protein every day. And I haven't been as successful this week, but I'm trying to keep track of that as well. And then down here, I keep track of my workout. So tomorrow is lift 4, week 2, day 4, and it is legs. And then I also keep track of my steps, as well as the calories burned each day. So that's how a typical row or column would look like. And then in here, I keep track of the goals that I'd like to set for the week. And yes, they are the same goals every week, but just because I do them one week doesn't mean I just want to stop doing it. They're goals that I want to make sure that I keep up to every week. So less than 60 weeklies, minus 60 weeklies, because I know I will use more than the allotted. 150 fit points, which I have just this past week. The week before this, I have earned 2 liters of water per day, and I'm actually getting better with this. What else did I do the week before? 2,000 calories burned per day, and I'm actually pretty good at getting that. And that measurement I get directly from my Fitbit, and journaling every day. So these are my goals every day. All right, so that is what one day looks like. I will go ahead and fill in the rest and then show you once it's done. All right, so there is the overall finished spread. I am in love. This is why I love this particular sticker book, the Teacher Florals, because just of this color combination, I absolutely love it. So like I said, again, this top part here will be used for journaling. This row here is used to track my sleep and water intake. And then in this third row here, I pre-track my meals, and then as I go throughout the week, then I fill in any snacks or anything else that has changed. And then down here, I have written all of the workouts that I have planned for the week, and then this is where I also track my steps and calories burned. All right, but that is it for me. So this sticker book will be available on the Happy Planner website at 9 a.m. Pacific Standard Time on Friday, April 23rd. I have included a link, my affiliate link, down below in the description. If you have any questions or if you want to see a proper flip through of this, I've also included a link to that as well. But once again, thank you guys so much for watching and have yourselves a great day.